What's up everybody, welcome back to another video here on Chanel's channel. So today we have a haul, and guys, let me tell you how excited I am about this. Nasty Gal reached out to me to do a collab, guys. Like, we have reached success, okay? We have reached success. Nasty Gal is I think they're actually from the UK, and they're known all around America, of course around the UK, and a lot of people love their products. So when they reached out to me, I was like, thank you Jesus, thank you Jesus. So they sent me a couple of goodies that I'm going to show you guys. I was a little bit hesitant at first on what to get and what size to get because I've never really shopped from them before, but I watched tons and tons and tons of reviews and YouTube videos on how their clothing fit. So I looked at people with my similar body height, my similar body size, and I was able to pick the right sizes. And as you guys can tell, the first top is what I have on right here. I absolutely love this top. I posted it on my IG. I am currently wearing the wrong bra for this, but you guys definitely have to get either nipple covers or like two-sided tape to lock it down in a certain area. If you have no chest like me and you have to wear a bra, definitely get two-sided tape to lock it down and keep it in place, because this thing was all over the place. I had to continue to retie it. So look how cute this strappy top is. It's like a tie right here and it kind of drapes down, and then they have the long bell sleeves. I feel like this is something people wear in like the 90s, the 80s type of vibe, but I absolutely love it. I feel like everything comes back in style. Material on this is like silky and soft. It's so cute, and it has like a flower pattern on it. When I saw it, I was like, yep, let me get two of those. But I actually got one because I wasn't trying to get two, but you know what I meant. Next item that I got was this cute laundry piece. It is a highlighter neon color. I feel like this color is like going around right now. Like, this is one of the top neon colors that you will find out there. For some reason, I thought this set will actually cover your nipples, but it definitely don't. I'm not going to show you guys today in it on what it looks like. Or maybe I should, because it's a hole, right? So as you guys can clearly see, I kept all my bra for this because your nipples are going to be showing right on there. I also wore this and posted it on my Instagram, so check it on out. I wore nipple covers at that time, but if you guys really take a picture and you kind of have your hands in a way, something like this, or have this area covering your nipples, you really won't see the nipples, so you have to really try to maneuver. So you can wear it as a nice little bodysuit with some high-waisted jeans and just, you know, call it a day piece. I feel like all their clothes, I'm not gonna lie, are really good quality. They have really good tops, like bomb tops, like different styles, where crop top, off the shoulder, flare sleeves, low sleeves, no sleeves. They got some of everything. Okay guys, you can't tell me this isn't cute. Look at this friggin' top. I can wear this with some high-waisted pants or just the matching pants to it. Look how cute it is. It ties right here to the front, and then to the back it's just a simple like stretchy material. So if you're a little bit heavier set with the boobs, you won't have no problem, you see, getting that little stretch on there. But I don't have any boobs, so this fit perfectly fine. This was a size 6. Let me show you the bottoms that match with. Okay, so this is the bottoms here that matches with it. So it is so cute. And then the pants is slightly flared to the bottom. I'll show you guys in my Instagram picture once I wore it. As you guys can see, it doesn't go fully down, so it kind of flare right above the ankles, actually a little bit more above the ankles, so that way it gives you a little bit of room. So if you want to wear boots, some cute boots with it, or some cute sneakers with it, it definitely depends on you and your style and what you like to wear. Okay, so the first accessory that I got is this belt. I actually wanted the lion print belt, but they were so nice because if lion print belt was out of stock, and they sent me this one. Look how cute this is. It's like a stone. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it is so cute. It's like a rose gold color, like a mixture of both rose and yellow gold in one, and it's a simple belt. They don't really come in sizes. It has enough holes. I didn't have to bore any other hole, so that way if you're really skinny, it fits perfectly around your waist and you just tuck this in. So it's fit me perfectly fine, and didn't have to do an extra hole. And you guys know I'm extremely tiny, so I think they cater to a lot of different body sizes, so that's a really good thing. Next item is clearly not real leather, but the material of it is so nice. This is like the best fake leather that I ever have in my life. It is so cute. It comes with a strap that you can simply wear right under your arm like this, or these long straps as well. So it gives you the option on how you want to wear it. So it is very cute. It's very simple. It comes with just one little entry pocket here and then a small little pocket right here. So if you guys want to hold your money or anything, it's simple and easy to use. Look how cute that is. I think this leather, this faux leather is so nice. Like, this is the best faux leather I've ever come in contact with. Okay guys, last but not least, this is by far my favorite piece of the whole accessory line that I got. Okay, watch. Girl, tell me this is not cute. Let me hear you say this is not cute. Look at this. What? It's like a clear beaded mini bag. I thought when online it looks a little bit cheap kind of looking, but once you get this, it's like a solid bag. This is something you can just simply hold your phone, your sunglasses, and your little wallet in here. Of course, it's see-through, so you just want to keep an eye on it at all times. You can't lock it anywhere, but look, this is just well made. Like, I got so many compliments once I used this bag, and let me tell you, guys were complimenting me, women were complimenting me, everybody loved this bag. I was so shocked on how cute this was. I thought it would have been something really small and tiny, but it's very well made. It's solid, it's beaded all over. The quality is thick. It's not really a thin bag. It's very thick and heavy duty and sturdy, so you can definitely hold your stuff and be fine with it not falling out. You just have to be careful of people, you know, just slipping their hand in there. Okay guys, so that is pretty much it for the haul. Thank you so much, Nasty Girl, for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate you guys. And if you guys go right now on their website, it is up to 80% off. Plus, you get an extra 10% off these items. So stuff that's like $45, you get for like $20. So definitely go on there, see what you like, get what you like, and keep it moving. Their tops are bomb.com, so I do recommend checking out their tops. The jeans I haven't really tried yet, but once I try them, I will let you guys know and tell you how it fits and go from there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't forget to like if you haven't liked, and I'll see you guys in the other hundreds, thousands, and millions of videos I'm gonna be making here on YouTube. Peace.